Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can set up a X ads account. Now, as we understand, for opening an X ads account, you need to have an X profile, or a Twitter profile, which you should have, and based on which an X ads account can be opened. So let's have a look at this. For this, we're going to go on and search for the official website. So this is the official website, Advertising X Business, which you can open. And this is where you will come. And now you can, from here, you can open a X ads account. So for doing that, we can go to get started. And here you can provide your bank details to activate this account first over here. So we can add the details right here. So as we are filling up all the details, as you can see, in this manner, once you fill up the details, you can save it. So now with this, our account has been saved over here, and we can go next. And we can start building out the account. So this will be our specifically the X ads account, which we have created now, as you can see. Okay, and this we can use for specifically for campaign creation. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now the complete process. Okay, this is the ads manager. As you can see, this will be the home page for us. Okay, and we have now logged into our X ads account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.